How to fix WhatsApp chat backup problem on Android. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. You need to make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. Go ahead and open Google Play Store. Now tap search icon at bottom right and search bar at top. Type in WhatsApp and open it. If you see any update button, tap on it and make sure to update it to the latest version. Updating your app can solve many connectivity issues that might be causing the backup problem. The next step to follow is simply head towards Settings. Scroll down and open Apps. Now using the search bar, tap on App Management and then type in WhatsApp. Open it. Now tap on Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. This will fix different kinds of glitches on your device. Now head towards Permission from the same page and make sure that you allow all the app permissions. If not, tap on it and tap Allow. These permissions are essential for WhatsApp to back up your data correctly. If this is not working for you, sometimes battery optimization can restrict WhatsApp from functioning properly. You need to simply go ahead and open Settings again and open the battery option. Go to More Settings from the section and now tap on Optimize Battery Use. Using search bar, tap or type in WhatsApp and make sure that you tap on Don't Optimize. This will ensure that WhatsApp can run smoothly in the background. Once you do that, you need to restart your phone. Make sure to hold on the power button on your device and simply swipe towards restart. This will help clear up any minor issues that might be interfering with the backup process. Once you have done that, you will successfully fix or solve WhatsApp chat backup problem on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.